Pinterest is search and discovery. It means that all of the keywords that are on the platform show Pinterest what it is your content is about. There's pieces and parts that need to go into this. But today we're going to talk about tagged topics. It's a question we get a lot. People go through and they upload their pin and they get to this section about tagged topics and they wonder, what in the world are these? So we're going to go through how to add those and what those mean. Hi, I'm Kate Ahl from Simple Pin Media. We are a Pinterest marketing and management agency. If you're new here, we're so glad that you're here. We would love for you to tell us more about who you are and comment down below. In this episode, I want to give you a high level of these tag topics so you know how to use them and you're not leaving it blank. First, there is this whole keywording kind of organism that happens on Pinterest. This tag topics, we want to think of them more as a category that fuels all the rest of the keywords. They kind of all play together. So here's how you add tagged topics. Okay, here, we're going into Pinterest and we're going to click the plus button and we're going to add a pin here. We're going to click on that one there. And we're going to add our title, add our description, add our link. I'm not going to add that in here. I'm going to go straight to tag related topics. So I might do marketing because I know that my content is all around marketing. So I click marketing, but I also know it's around small business marketing as well. And let's go down here. We're going to do social media. We're going to go back here. I'm going to take these here. So social media. So I know we're social media and that's all we're going to add there. Here's an example. When I put in Pinterest, it doesn't pull anything up. And I might feel pretty frustrated about that because I talk about Pinterest, but that's okay. There's all those other keywords where I'm adding in Pinterest. So don't worry about it. But I do know that I work with blogging and I work with affiliate marketing. You can add up to 10 tagged topics. So I'm going to go through here. I might even do e-commerce because that's something that I know we also talk about, if I can spell it right. So here we go. Here's e-commerce. E-commerce is right there. And then I'm just going to hit done. I'm not going to add all of them here right now, but I can see that I have 6 tags there and I'm good to go. That is how you use tagged topics. If you want to learn more about Pinterest, if you want to get quick tips, education, resources, and the latest information about Pinterest, sign up for our Pinterest Made Simple newsletter down in the description. We send this out every Wednesday, totally free, and we would love to have you as a reader.